Next time we gotta bring a chainsaw.
Rob usually finds saws in the wood.
Oh, peekaboo!
This is classic. Yeah, we just need to get rid of this one branch here. That's the problem. Maybe if we hit it with a rock. Ow. Here, hit it.
It's not good for my arthritis.
I knew I should bring heavy duty gloves.
Hey, hold on.
Nima?
Huh. Yeah, that's it. We're fucking going through it. I don't... Shit. That's fine.
Yeah.
That's a better idea.
Oh, like this.
No, that's why I told that Alex.
Sounds like
you just
trees.
bang it. Bang it with another rack? Like...
Oh, okay.
Or like...
On the sharp side.
Survival skills suck.
Why did you throw the goodies?
The goodies? Did you see how many goodies, other goodies there are? The goodies. You threw the goodies.
Watch.
You know the thing, Alex? Those videos, YouTube videos, it says an eternity later, 10 minutes later. Ta-da! Good job, buddy.
No. Bring the bike more that way, and we'll tilt it to your right.
And but handlebar there.
Yeah. We'll tilt it a lot. Well, I told you... Wait, Nima, wait. We need more here.
We just lost like 2 inches of clearance.
No.
Look at this, Alex.
No, because you can tilt it more now.
I know, but...
Here, I can literally just slowly pull it.
Hold on.
Well, no, bring it back to how it was.
I know.
Yeah, no.
That's not working.
So just leave it like that, we'll pull it.
Alex, you're not going to be able to pull it.
You have to hold the bike on its wheels.
Yeah. Okay. Oh. Yeah, here you go.
Okay. My turn. Maybe, should I leave it out of gear? Yeah.
Yeah. But just come all the way fucking...
Forward?
Why not?
Okay, hold on. It's hard to find neutral on this. Okay. That's neutral.
There you go, Alex. Put it into fucking gear and go.
Yeah. Exactly. Oh. See, the hard part was figuring out what to do.
Yeah.
How am I going to put it in gear, Nima?
Like right now?
No, tomorrow.
No, like just... Like, ta-da! There you go, it's in gear. No, tomorrow.
Okay. Sweet.
The Romanian Tractor. Is there a fucking tree?
Yeah. Okay, remember how we did this?
Not really. Oh, I thought I was in neutral.
You want me to go first?
Oh, we go. Oh my god.
Screw it, downhill.
I forgot how much I fucking have to get laid on the ground. Oh my god, Alex! Ah!
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm stuck.
Oh my god.
Ah. Fuck. Like literally my GoPro is in the way. And I'm so tired. This fucking tree, man.
I don't know if my camera is on. Oh, it is on. Perfect. Alex, what are you doing?
I'm so tired.
Are you praying
To the gods of
GM?
to the gods of hard enduro.